Hey guys, what's up? Mama Dean here. I am with this awesome guy right here, my father-in-law, and what we're going to do today is he's got a bunch of pickling cucumbers that we are going to make up some pickles today. So you've already got what, seven of them? 7 of them done?
7 quarts.
So I kind of got a pretty good score at IFA today, so I'll show you guys that and we'll get started. So let's do it.
Great.
Hey, here's the pickles that Jack got done. Those look good. What's in them?
Yeah, all kinds of good stuff. Let's see, dill, garlic, salt, sugar, alum, onion, and the old-fashioned pioneer idea of having 1 grape leaf in it. So that's what's in it.
See guys, I had never heard about putting a grape leaf inside with your pickles, so that's a pretty cool thing to try. So let me show you what I found at IFA. So these, right here, these nifty little bags of Mrs. Wages, they had them in a cart. They were $1.49 and they rang up at the register for 75 cents each. So I snagged quite a few bags of this. So we're going to do spicy pickles, and we'll even do some sweet pickle relish. So got that, jars, so we're good to go. Hey guys, I almost forgot. So when you do your jars, when you put your stuff in there, always make sure that you pack them in really tight so no air bubbles or anything can get in there, and that way that just gives the liquid a chance to just get really around everything really good. So we've got them packed in there really good and tight, and just can't wait to see how these turn out. So far it's been quite a bit of fun. Okay, the brine is just about to a full boil. And the smell is so strong, it just goes directly up into your nostrils, and it clears out your sinuses basically, but it smells just amazing, and I just love all the spices. Oh, I got up the camera and everything in there. So, oh, I can't wait. And so we've got, voila! We've got these jars ready to go. Got our lids that will get heated up so they have a good seal. Yep. Got our water bath, so we'll get water heating up.
Water bath?
So I think we are
almost
just about set. Okay guys, so with doing this, what you want to do, when you dump it in there, make sure that you leave about a 1-inch headspace so that way any air can escape and not leave any air bubbles at all. So, just like that. Perfect. Okay, so we've got the water bath ready, and we've got 8 jars ready to go in. So in 10 minutes, those beauties will be out. And it no longer stinks anymore.
Yeah.
Okay, bottles are done. And we'll get them out. So good. Cool. So 8 jars done. And then they have to sit for about, I think it'll take probably a good while for them to seal up and everything and cool down. And then our next step is going to be making relish. So we'll get that done. Hey guys, Mama Dean here. So we're on So yesterday we got the pickles done, and so today we are gonna get the pickle relish done up. There was a few things that had to be done with it, so we're just like, well, we'll just do it tomorrow. So here again today, we're gonna start on the relish and get that all done, and so we'll take you guys along. Hey guys, so while Jack is doing up the cucumbers, I'm gonna get the mixture ready for the pickle relish. And what I'm gonna do is I've got the pot right here, and then I'm gonna do, in this pot, I'm gonna do 2.5 cups of vinegar, and then 2 cups of sugar, and this pouch of the relish seasoning. So then I'll get this all mixed in, get it boiling, and then once all of the cucumbers are done, then we'll add it into the pot. It'll have to simmer for about 10 minutes, stirring frequently so it doesn't stick to the bottom, and then we'll get it into the jars. So once we get to that point, I'll show you guys. Okay, so really quick, I've got all the mixture in. I've got the vinegar, sugar, and the seasoning packet. So I'm just stirring this in to get the sugar dissolved and everything in it. It smells amazing. It's not as strong as yesterday's with the pickles. Like, the fumes were just unbelievably strong. So we'll get this going boiling and see how everything turns out. Okay, so we've got our relish all done. It's all simmered. It's thickened up like really nicely. So we'll get that in jars. We've got our lids. Kind of the cool thing about the lids is don't boil your water, just get it really hot and just put your lids in and everything. So I think this is ready. Jars are ready. So let's do this. Okay, relish is done. We're just getting ready to take them out. So they look really good. Okay, 5 jars of sweet pickle relish done. Now just let them seal, and that's it. Okay guys, thanks for coming along with us as we did the pickles and the pickle relish, and it was really a lot of fun hanging out with my father-in-law the last 2 days doing this, and so yeah, so thanks guys, and see you later.